Jochiw thieth magin Nases ma jopuonjre 306 maweyo oko e chenro mar dhi e puonjruok mar thieth kata internship pod medo ywak ewi kaka koro sani gidong' ma onge kod paro kaka gidhi konyore kuom higa achiel mabiro maonge tich kata internship. Jopuonjrego thothgi wuok e kaunti ma Kisii kod Nyamira kendo gichokore mar nyiso kuyo margi kod ywak ne migawo mar thieth. Yiero mar jopuonjre ma owinjo riwre kod kuonde thieth e yor orak mag internship nyocha ne okelo liet bang' yangore ni nitie jochiw thieth mane okaw tok chik kama moko to we oko.
Happy with what the CS has done, and right now we are calling for justice because revoking our internship offer letters, it just means damage to ourselves because we were prepared mentally, financially, and everything we have put into this has already it's being shown that it's in vain.
We've spent so much to be here. Personally, I come from all the way from Nakuru, Migrate Huku, and right now I'm being told that my internship have been cancelled. All this through my book is already filled, and now going back to take my letter in the name of it has been cancelled. It doesn't make sense.
Remember, we submitted our documents and everything for almost 3 times. Number one, the school submitted our list. We were confirmed by the Nursing Council of Kenya. They called for another resubmission. We were still confirmed as we have merited and certified the Board of Examiners at university level, and we are not revoked. So at this point, because the ministry is, I don't know, I can say confused or something, now they are trying to find out, to find people they can replace with those who are complaining. But remember, all of us have merited. Someone like me, if you tell me to go to school, there is nothing further I'm going to study because I've done everything, all the coursework.
In the offer letter, they've clearly stated that with a completion letter indicating that you've completed the program, you are eligible for internship. So revoking our letters on the ground that we're not graduated is absolutely illegal and violations of the terms and conditions of internship.